Too bad. Looks like I had to head out. I think I destroyed my car with what do you call the water getting into the hybrid system. So it's no bueno. I'm trying to get to a place that has phone signal and easy access to get out. I might just stop here. It happened once, shame on you. Happened twice, no. I have a Bush moment. If it do it once, shame on you. If it happens twice, shame on I have.
In Tennessee, they fooled me once. Shame on you. They fool me, we can't get fooled again.
I have no idea. Water went in from that jug down here, flooded my hybrid battery for the second time. I forgot I left the freaking pump on it. And what a nice place to break down in a national park. Challenges while traveling. Took the seats out and now letting it dry. What an adventure, seriously. I think I fixed it. I put everything back and started it up, and no check engine light yet. It's sad to see something. There are probably hundreds of cars went by. A lot of them park right next to me and take some pictures of these and don't even bother to ask, hey, is everything okay or something. If that's in this scenario was in Mexico or any so-called third world shitty countries, right, they would have come and helped. Like so many people would have come and helped. That's the best part about those countries. They have their West, they're rich in money. Other countries rich in culture and humanity. It's sad. It's really sad in a way. Hopefully I can get out without any issues. See all these cars? You can see me.